Right, in this video you're going to learn how to send bulk emails, so basically some quality email marketing. So first of all you have to get a Gmail account. We'll go to the docs. You need to go to the sheets, open a new one. This we'll just type in email. And then here's where you get all of your emails from. Lead Finder. Really recommend these guys. They do great work. So we gotta log in. I suppose we could be going after roofing, because everybody goes after roofing. We'll do Phoenix, because those guys are hot, but maybe they want some new leads. Guess that sounds weird. Super fast, super easy to get all sorts of information on pretty much anything that you need. I suppose while we're waiting, what you do is, so to create the email that you're going to write to these guys, compose. Actually, I already have some drafts, but what you do, you leave it blank, you make the subject, you know, you can do quick question. Are you still getting quality leads? And you just type something up. Really what the best thing to do would be is get their name, and maybe look them up on LinkedIn or Facebook, a little bit of background data, and then just make each email as personal as possible. That's how you really get the high open click-through, and responses. But for this, we're just going to keep it real basic and kind of just ask them a question, because email is really what you're trying to do is just start a conversation. You want to start a conversation, get them on the phone, close the deal, go on to the next one, and so on and so forth. I like how it says this will take around 3 minutes. Have some tea. And then, I guess I have to get that on. So if you want to do this, you have to get yet another mail merge. Download it for free. Google might be mad at me, but we're going to try to do this. And another mail merge allows you to take from the Google Sheets into the Gmail and send out. Get 1 month free. And if you want to pay for it, emails myself. It's $40, and then you can send up to 400 emails every day, which is very cool. So we're still just waiting on this to load. It just takes a little bit of time. Oh, now we have 2 email addresses, so we'll just delete the whole row. Ah, crap. Delete row. Email address. 2 email address. Anyways. So this is the D7 Lead Finder. Tells you, the name of the company, their phone number, their email, website, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can upgrade, see how much they're spending on ads, see how many reviews they have. This is cool where it tells you where on Google they're ranking, so maybe you want to go after the ones that are ranking or the ones that aren't ranking, if you do SEO. Then we simply click the Excel. Down here, we got two. I forgot. So we open it up in Excel. It does open. Here's another one. Pause. These are digital marketers I went after. So now we grab this row. Lots of roofers. Copy. Next we have to do a verification. So these guys are good. They're free. I don't know how you pronounce that. Leopathu or something. I don't know. But here's the main page. This is an email verifier. Dump it, validate. That takes a second. So out of all those, it says that 102 have a role filter, which will kick you out. So you just want the valid emails. And that copies it into a new Excel spreadsheet. This is the old one. Waiting for it to load. There it is. And then you can just, I guess I could just Control A or drag down. Copy, go to your spreadsheet, Control V. Got all these guys. One thing I did forget is I want my digital business card on there. So let's just get this. Here's my digital business card. Highly recommend you guys get one of these. Copy, put that into my thing so they know I'm the real deal. Tools, then you go to yet another mail merge, start mail merge. We'll say paper lead agency email template. Quick question, you always want to click the receive a test email. So we'll do that. Boom, we got the email, and that's it, guys. You normally could send it. Like I said, you only can send 50 for the free version, or you can send up to 400 once you get the paid. They're a great tool. That's one way that you guys can start sending out bulk emails for free. All right, have a good one.